Assalamualaikum viewers. Today we are going to review the tripod 310 stand that was made in China, and I bought this from the daraz.pk website. Usually they ship in the Pakistan and other countries as well, as I think. The link for buying this product is given in the description. You can check for further information the description of the video that's given below. So let's open this. As you can see, it's tripod 310 made in China stand, 3-way head, built-in level, 4 sequence aluminium legs, quick lever lock, 3-way 3 sequence logistic legs, quick level locker and rubber leg. So let's open this. It is a mobile phone holder. You can use to hold your mobile phones for this stand. As you can see, it's a very beautiful product. So let me show you how you can use it. First of all, open these to make it bigger. We will not going to make it so bigger. As it is the stand, first make it loose to work it properly. Let me open this. Here is a lock button for locking this upper stand area. And also lock these to don't make it rush. And this is very beautiful. Lock this for don't move like this in this direction. If you want to move in this direction, you have to unlock this area. So I will lock it right there. As you can see, as it is mentioned, it has a surface level given in this. So further we will use to hold the mobile for this, and we will first add this to this section and tighten this up. So also tighten up, don't make it rush. So we will add the mobile into this like this. Let me calm this one forward. It's very hard. Okay, as you can see, the mobile is fully fit in the stand, so you can make the video like this. You can further change the way of holding to the as per your requirements, and lose it a little bit to make it move in other directions. I think it's a very beautiful product. You should buy it. For buying link, you can view the description, and any other comments can be mentioned on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.